This video explains how to enable the e-invoicing module in AutoCount Accounting 2.2. First, go to Tools and select Options. Then, go to Country and Tax and go to the e-invoice section. Tick the Enable e-invoicing with following start date. Then also need to tick the Allow to create consolidated e-invoice. Be sure to note that the date cannot be earlier than the start date, but you can choose a date up to 6 months later. If you prefer, you can also set it to 2 or 3 months later. After this, click Update e-invoice code list. Click OK, then click OK and Yes. Now I will show how to update company profile to get AIP company ID and secret ID. First, go to General Maintenance, Company Profile. Select e-invoice, then go to Tax Entity/TIN first. Click Add New, then fill in these all information. Then, click Yes. After, get Client ID and Secret ID from My Invoice portal and fill in. We can check again the company profile, then can see the AIP company ID will appear. And that's all for enabling e-invoicing in AutoCount version 2.2. By following these steps, you're ready to manage invoices efficiently and stay compliant. For more tips, like, share, and subscribe. Need more info? Scan the QR code to join our community group. If you want to buy our product, you can contact 0162013628 for inquiries. If you want to ask a question about the system, you can contact 010-3803628 for support team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.